big games that you play. You gotta get the fuckers out of your way and head back to your zone before you're running into the unknown. Forget about all the broken bones and take one more step to build the throne. So let me show you one more thing. You have to lose just to know how to win. But if you're with me, just fucking wait. But listen to what I have to say. I will throw it all away. Out of the day, I don't like to listen to everything you say. Play my own way, play my own game. Strong game isn't fair, so I gotta say I don't care. Step up or shut up, I'm done with your lies. Say it to my face, look me dead in the eyes. You wanna play things that I'm hitting straight. Step up, cause then I'll just knock you off. You look like a nigga out your phone, face to face.